In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1099-R on H&R Block. If you receive money from a retirement account, pension, annuity, or a rollover last year that's reported on a Form 1099-R, and adding it in the right place ensures your return is accurate. Have your 1099-R handy so the payer's information, distribution amount, and any tax withheld are easy to reference as we go. Start on the H&R Block DIY main menu for your current return. From that main dashboard, move into the Overview area so you can navigate to the core sections of your return. Next, head to the Federal section. This is where all federal income topics live, including retirement distributions. To make sure you're in the correct starting point for income, select the option to go to the beginning of my return. This helps line up the interview so you see the standard flow. When the interview opens, click. Next, to proceed past the initial screens until you reach the topic choices. Now choose Income. This is your hub for wages, interest, dividends, and, importantly for today, retirement income. Inside Income, pick Add another income type to reveal the full list of income categories. Since there are a lot of options, it's often quicker to search or browse to the retirement area. Scroll down the list to get closer to the retirement and pension section. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search within Income and enter 1099-R. Typing it just like that will surface the matching category quickly. When it appears, select 1099-R, Retirement Plan Income, Withdrawals, and Rollovers. That choice opens the guided interview designed specifically for pension, IRA, and 401k distributions, as well as rollovers. A quick tip before you proceed through that guided flow. Double-check that the payer name and federal ID on your form match exactly, confirm the distribution code in box 7, and look for any federal or state tax withheld shown on the form. If your distribution was a rollover, be sure the interview reflects that correctly, so it's not taxed as a withdrawal. If you received multiple 1099-Rs, common with more than one account, repeat the same path to add each one. Accuracy here affects both your taxable income and potential penalties, so it's worth taking a moment to review each entry against the paper form. That's it. By navigating from the main menu to Overview, into Federal, starting at the beginning, moving forward with Next, opening Income, adding another income type, scrolling, searching 1099-R, and selecting the 1099-R category, you're in the right place to complete your retirement income details confidently.